you're being brutally robbed every single month, and you don't even know it yet. Thousands of Americans are bleeding out tens of thousands of dollars in unnecessary maintenance costs, trapped in luxury SUVs that are quietly destroying their bank accounts, simply because nobody told them the truth. If you walk away from this video right now, you will keep making the same terrible mistake that most people have been making. Do you know the cost behind the wrong SUV? $30,000 or more over 5 years. That's the money that vanishes into dealerships, repair shops, and parts suppliers while you stay completely clueless. But all this can end today. This video breaks down the 10 cheapest luxury SUVs to maintain, the cars that deserve your hard-earned money. And trust me, they offer optimum value in return. I suggest staying until the very end, because the number one pick might genuinely surprise you. Let's get into it. Number 10. Lincoln Aviator. The Aviator runs on Ford's proven 3.0-liter EcoBoost twin-turbo V6, a platform that's been refined across millions of vehicles. Parts are widely available at both Ford dealerships and independent shops across the U.S., drastically reducing labor and component costs. Its average annual maintenance cost sits around $700 to $850, far below the European competition in its class. Scheduled service intervals are generous, and the plug-in hybrid variant, Grand Touring, can reduce fuel and brake wear costs significantly over time. Marcus Webb, a 44-year-old financial analyst from Columbus, Ohio, was shopping for a luxury 3-row SUV. His co-worker suggested the Lincoln Aviator, but Marcus dismissed it almost immediately. He went with a German luxury rival instead, a decision that seemed prestigious at the time. 18 months later, Marcus had already spent over $4,200 in unscheduled repairs, including a specialty air suspension component that had to be imported. Marcus still cringes every time he passes a Lincoln dealership. Number 9. Acura MDX. The MDX shares its mechanical DNA with Honda, arguably the most reliability-obsessed automaker in the world. Its 3.5-liter V6 or the available turbocharged 4-cylinder are both workhorses built to go 200,000+ miles with proper care. Annual maintenance costs average around $600 to $750, and because Honda parts are among the most widely stocked in the country, you'll never be stranded waiting weeks for an obscure component. Brake pads, filters, fluids, all affordable. The MDX also has excellent resale value, which offsets total ownership cost further. Number 8. Volvo XC60. Volvo has made enormous strides in reliability over the past decade, and the XC60 is the crown jewel of that transformation. Average annual maintenance runs between $700 to $900 for most owners. Volvo Care plans are competitively priced, and the XC60's modular engine architecture, shared across multiple platforms, keeps parts costs reasonable. The plug-in hybrid, Recharge variant can meaningfully cut fuel costs on daily driving while keeping brake wear minimal through regenerative braking. Raymond Chu had the Volvo XC60 recommended to him by his business partner. He thought Volvo sounded too basic for his taste and instead chose a flashier European luxury SUV known more for style than substance. Over the next 2 years, Raymond spent close to $6,800 in maintenance, including a turbocharger replacement at just 38,000 miles. Raymond eventually traded his SUV in at a painful loss and bought the XC60 he should have purchased 2 years earlier. Number 7. Genesis GV80. Genesis, Hyundai's luxury division, offers something almost unheard of at this price point: a complimentary maintenance plan for 3 years, 36,000 miles, which includes oil changes, tire rotations, and multi-point inspections at no extra cost. Beyond the plan, the GV80's powertrain is built on Hyundai's proven 2.5T or 3.5T engines. Parts are affordable, dealers are increasingly common nationwide, and reliability scores are consistently strong. Annual ownership costs after the free plan period average around $650 to $800. Katie, a real estate broker, test drove the Genesis GV80 and genuinely loved it, the interior quality, the ride comfort, the tech. But her clients drove German luxury SUVs, and she worried about perception. She chose prestige over practicality and bought a well-known German flagship SUV instead. In just 30 months, Katie had logged nearly $5,500 in maintenance and repair bills, including a $1,200 software update that her dealership bizarrely charged for. The GV80 she test drove would have cost her essentially nothing in maintenance over the same window. She now keeps a mental note of every dollar she overspent. It keeps growing. Number 6. Lexus RX. Lexus is Toyota's luxury brand, and that connection is everything. The RX's powertrains, whether the naturally aspirated V6, the turbocharged 4-cylinder, or the outstanding hybrid, are all built with Toyota's legendary obsession with long-term reliability. Annual maintenance costs average $550 to $700, making it one of the lowest in the entire luxury SUV segment. Parts are plentiful. Labor hours are minimal because engineers designed for ease of service, and the hybrid variants can go over 100,000 miles on the original brake pads in some cases. James Ferreira had the Lexus RX on his shortlist when he was upgrading his family vehicle. A colleague at his firm swore by it. But James wanted something that felt more cutting edge. The RX struck him as too common. He went with a European luxury SUV that offered a more aggressive design and a long list of tech features. 14 months in, James faced a $1,600 air suspension failure, a $900 DSG service, and a 2-week wait on a specialized sensor that had to be sourced internationally. The decision James never made still haunts him. Number 5. BMW X3 with Care Plan. The BMW X3 on its own can be expensive to maintain if you go to an independent shop without a plan. But here's the insider knowledge most buyers miss. BMW's Ultimate Care plus Maintenance Plan, purchased up front, dramatically restructures your cost exposure. When planned correctly, the X3's turbocharged 4-cylinder B48 engine is actually one of the most durable in its segment. Dealers report fewer major drivetrain failures compared to older BMW engines. Annual maintenance costs with a plan hover between $800 to $1,000, still very competitive for what you get. Genuine sport luxury dynamics, outstanding resale value, and a dealership network that spans every major metro. Todd Merriweather bought a used BMW X3 without understanding the importance of the maintenance plan. He assumed all luxury SUVs cost about the same to run. Within 18 months, he'd faced a $900 valve cover gasket repair, a $700 water pump replacement, and a $1,400 high-pressure fuel pump failure. His colleague Ryan, who bought a new X3 with the full Ultimate Care Plus plan, paid essentially nothings over the same period beyond scheduled visits. Same car, wildly different experience. All because of one piece of paperwork Todd never read. We're halfway through the top 5, and the next 2 entries are where this list gets genuinely jaw-dropping. Number 4. Lexus NX. The NX Hybrid, in particular, is a maintenance dream. Regenerative braking means brake pads last exceptionally long. The 2.5-liter hybrid system is extraordinarily proven, and fuel costs plummet in daily driving. Average annual maintenance runs an astonishingly low $500 to $650, placing it firmly among the absolute cheapest luxury SUVs to own. Lexus dealers also rank among the highest in customer satisfaction surveys year after year, which means less time arguing over bills and more time actually enjoying your vehicle. Sandra Oduya from Atlanta was specifically told by her brother-in-law to look at the Lexus NX Hybrid. "You'll thank me later," he said. Sandra appreciated the advice, but ultimately fell for an aggressive lease deal on a European compact SUV. The payment looked reasonable. The lease penalties, out-of-warranty repair bills, and disposition fee at turn-in told a very different story. Over 3 years, Sandra spent nearly $3,900 beyond her monthly payments on maintenance-related costs. Her brother-in-law's advice, if followed, would have saved her almost every penny of that. Number 3. Cadillac XT5. The vehicle runs on GM's highly refined 2.0 turbocharged 4-cylinder, or the 3.6-liter V6. Both engines with massive production volumes, meaning parts are cheap and mechanics everywhere know them. Annual maintenance costs average $600 to $800, and Cadillac dealerships, increasingly part of larger GM service networks, compete aggressively on pricing. GM's OnStar diagnostics can catch issues before they become expensive, and the XT5's mechanical simplicity, no complex air suspension as standard, no exotic tech that ages poorly, keeps surprise costs low. Kevin Ostrowski, a sales manager from Chicago, walked into a dealership with the Cadillac XT5 as one of his top choices. The salesperson at the neighboring European luxury brand talked him into something more prestigious with a compelling financing deal. Kevin signed. Over 2 years, Kevin dealt with a $2,100 timing chain tensioner replacement, recurring software glitches, and a parts delay that left his SUV at the dealership for 11 days. Unacceptable for someone with Kevin's schedule. His neighbor, who bought the XT5 he'd almost chosen, drove past Kevin's empty driveway 3 times during that parts wait. The irony was not lost on either of them. Number 2. Toyota Venza. The Venza is hybrid only, and that's the secret weapon. Toyota's 5th-generation hybrid system is one of the most mechanically robust drivetrains ever put into a production vehicle. Brake jobs become infrequent events rather than annual rituals. The 2.5-liter 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain is shared across hundreds of thousands of Toyota vehicles globally, meaning parts costs are negligible. Average annual maintenance? A staggering $400 to $550, virtually unmatched in this comparison. The Venza also earns exceptional reliability scores and a loyal owner base that repeatedly reports 150,000+ miles with minimal drama. And now, the winner. Number 1. Lexus UX 250H. The vehicle combines Toyota's legendary hybrid system with Lexus's impeccable build quality in a compact, city-friendly package that is tailor-made for urban and suburban driving. Annual maintenance costs average a jaw-dropping $375 to $500, the lowest of any legitimate luxury SUV available in the market. The hybrid drivetrain means brakes last 80,000 to 100,000 miles in normal use. Oil changes are infrequent. The cabin is crafted to a standard that rivals vehicles costing significantly more. Resale value is among the strongest in the segment. Lexus owners consistently rank their vehicles among the most satisfying to own long-term. Not because of flashy promises, but because Lexus simply doesn't break. The UX25OH embodies that philosophy in its most affordable and accessible form. So there you are, the 10 cheapest luxury SUVs to maintain. The right vehicle can give you everything you want: the comfort, the technology, the prestige of a premium badge, without turning your bank account into a donation fund for your dealership's service department. If this video saved you even a single bad decision, do me one favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel.